I want to finally talk about 3D and the video and the timeline inside of Photoshop. Now, I haven't gone over any of these inside of this course, and I'm not going to, just because it adds a whole nother dimension. When you start talking about timelines and video and 3D, though Photoshop can handle all that stuff and I know how to use it, I didn't want to put it in this course and overwhelm you because it's a lot of extra information. And hopefully this course is just getting you started with Photoshop and helping you along with how Photoshop works so that you can go out and experiment on your own and find out more information. Now, later down the line, I might do a Photoshop 3D course or a Photoshop video course, which would be great. I'd love to do that. If you're interested, let me know, and I'll definitely put that down as something that I can create later on. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I do know about some of that stuff and can answer questions for you, but I just didn't want to go into this course. But if you go to Window and you click on Timeline, you can see that there's actually a video timeline in Photoshop, so you can work with video and make all of these edits and adjustments to your videos. You can also create things like animated GIFs. So any time you see those jumping pictures where people are dancing and you see them on social media, those are animated GIFs. You can make those in Photoshop also. You can also click on 3D and it gives us a lot of the 3D options, and then we also have all the 3D options up here at the toolbar. You can create extrusions, you can bring in meshes, you can do all kinds of great things with 3D inside of Photoshop, but again, it would just be too much. And then don't forget, we also have the different workspaces. So if we click on 3D, it'll bring up a 3D workspace with all the appropriate tools for us. And if we go down to workspace and we click on motion for motion graphics, it'll bring up the timeline and different tools for working with motion graphics. So I apologize if you wanted to see some of that stuff. I just didn't feel like it was necessary to really get the essentials for Photoshop in this course. So I wanted to at least do that and show you some of the things, if not most of the things that you can do inside of Photoshop, but I wanted to leave those out. Again, if you're interested, go ahead and shoot me a message and let me know, and I'll see about creating a course on that in the future for you. But hopefully that gives you a little bit of the reasoning why I didn't include those in this course.